Whales can't be stopped. Shiba Inu tokens worth hundreds of millions of dollars, if not trillions. If the data is to be trusted, this is merely the initial stage. People are starting to pay attention, and these figures are trying to take advantage of that. However, how is this unfolding in reality? How long till the current market panic ends? Discovered here. Your daily dose of Shiba is here with Wealthy Coin. Inquisitive minds seeking answers regarding Shiba will find what they're looking for here. Sign up now if you want to be abreast of all the newest predictions and news in the cryptocurrency market. Make sure you hit the like button to get more SHIB news. While Bitcoin soared beyond the $71,000 mark, other altcoins have fallen short of their yearly highs, suggesting a market recovery. Despite facing strong resistance from several sell barriers, Shiba Inus are nevertheless taking part in the rise. A wall is formed when a large number of sell orders are placed at a specific price level, making it impossible for the price to move beyond. Consider the following hypothetical scenario. You can buy 100,000 Shiba Inu tokens for 1 cent. At that pricing point, it will be impossible for the price to grow above 1 cent due to the far larger supply than demand of 50,000 tokens. Still, we can figure out a way to make Shiba Inu even more popular and sell more of them. It would be prudent to first take a look at Bitcoin's present status. The current Bitcoin frenzy has had a tremendous impact on Shiba Inu. When they first came out, US spot the longest string of continuous net inflows has ever been witnessed by Bitcoin e-gifts. There have been positive flows for 18 days in a row as of Thursday. Since their launch in January, 11 Bitcoin ADFS have received almost $15 billion. April and May saw no change in net inflows, but they have just started to grow again, although present inflows are lower than March's record levels. The positive net inflows, led largely by BlackRock, demonstrate that investors remain enthusiastic about and confident in Bitcoin, according to the Block Statistics dashboard. The bullish indication has been in place for 18 days running, showing no signs of abating. Fantastic news for crypto fans globally. It shows that more and more people are putting their money into crypto. However, traditional investors aren't the only ones hoarding Bitcoin. You should check out this crypto whale. Almost $1 billion worth of Bitcoin is being added daily to a massive new whale wallet. 30 days ago, long-term holders amassed 70,000 Bitcoin, and demand from whales is increasing at a rate of 4.4% per month. Perhaps you're wondering if 4.4% is a big number now. Absolutely, wholeheartedly. With an initial investment of $100,000 and a monthly investment of 4.4%, you would have a substantial amount after 5 years. If you were to invest $100,000 for 5 years, you would have about $87,000. This shows how powerful a 4.4% monthly gain may be over time, and how much of an impact whale demand is having on the Bitcoin market right now. More than that, though, CoinLast data shows that open interest in Bitcoin reached a fresh all-time high of $37 billion just today. The total amount of money that is presently outstanding in Bitcoin futures and options contracts is known as the open interest. Is this measure important? Question posed. Short answer, yes. Market sentiment and activity can be gauged by looking at open interest in the futures and options markets. Bitcoin futures have attracted a lot of attention among traders, indicating a healthy and active market. Nevertheless, contrary to the beliefs of some, right now the Bitcoin market is anything from boring and uninteresting. The extraordinary open interest in Bitcoin futures and options demonstrates that the cryptocurrency sector is far from dead. Put that down for a second. What I'm about to say is fascinating. Compared to searches done in 2021, the volume of queries regarding Bitcoin as its price, and cryptocurrency as a whole is significantly lower. Search interest respective peak popularity is taken into account by Google Trends. For example, on June 5th, a search for Bitcoin in the US returned just 31 results, while a search for Bitcoin ETF returned just 1. Though they were an improvement above the search volumes in 2021's retail-driven bull run, the index scores of 18 for Bitcoin price and 13 for crypto were still significantly lower. It would appear that fewer and fewer people are interested in looking for content relating to cryptocurrency. There was a worldwide uptick in interest. On January 11th, the day the United States legalized 10-spot Bitcoin ADFS, interest surged once again on March 5th as Bitcoin surpassed $69,000 for the first time since 2021. In particular, the first time Bitcoin was searched for was in May of 2021, and the second time was in November of the same year, right before the cryptocurrency hit its all-time high of about $9,000 in value. Despite Bitcoin's new all-time high, crypto analyst Miles Deutscher found that crypto-related YouTube channels had a significant decline in views compared to 2021. Crypto YouTube channels were averaging about 4 million views daily in 2021. When Bitcoin's popularity was at its peak, there were 800,000 daily views in 2024 when Bitcoin was at its highest. Dutcher stated that the retail sector is still behind. He thinks the most telling indicator of the market's current state is the number of views on cryptocurrency-related YouTube videos. Despite Bitcoin's record price, the decline in views suggests that mainstream public interest in cryptocurrencies has not yet returned to the levels seen during the bull run of 2021. You might be wondering why, with all the massive whale accumulation and Bitcoin ETF inflows over the past 18 days, the price of Bitcoin hasn't burst yet. In what ways will these modifications manifest? All right, I suppose it would be prudent to inquire. Jimmy provides a more thorough explanation as an analyst. He goes on to explain that the majority of Bitcoin is held by whales, while spot Bitcoin ETFs worldwide only possess about 5%, although exchange-traded funds have seen significant inflows. Jimmy claims that the volume of Bitcoin sold and exchanged by these large investors significantly exceeds it. He claims that for every buyer there is an equal number of sellers, and that the actions of the market's major participants may considerably affect prices. No matter how slowly the market reacts, recent developments like the 18-day inflow into Bitcoin ETFs and the whale's accumulation of Bitcoin are still viewed as positive. These developments demonstrate that Bitcoin is gaining acceptance as an investment choice among both institutional and ordinary investors. Market pressures like short-term speculation and profit-taking may cause the price to not reflect these advances immediately, but the pattern still indicates that Bitcoin is laying a stronger foundation for its future growth. These actions basically provide the groundwork for future price increase, even if the effects aren't immediately visible in the markets. Day-to-day volatility. Yet what about Shiba Inu? If the value of Bitcoin suddenly skyrockets due to recent events, the Shiba Inu will be badly hit. We all know that Shiba Inu is quite sensitive to Bitcoin's ups and downs because of its strong relationship with the cryptocurrency. Shiba Inu is currently facing a massive sales wall. According to the data in the block, there are almost 64,000 addresses, or 10% of the total supply of 69 trillion Shiba Inu tokens at the location where this wall is located. Recent price adjustments have shown that selling pressure from these areas is a common reason for Shiba Inu prices to correct. Consequently, Shiba Inu has significantly regressed compared to its recent surge. Anyone looking to invest in Shiba Inu may find this situation frustrating. Its rise might be slowed by financial backers as a huge sell wall. However, Shiba Inu is currently trying to break through at a higher pricing point. The second upward surge will be based on the restoration of happy mood. To overcome this temporary sales obstacle, Shiba Inu would need to close strongly over 4020. But if past trends continue, Shiba Inu should benefit substantially from the expected price explosion of Bitcoin. This is essential if Shiba Inu is to overcome its current challenges and resume its ascent. Is that something you're comfortable with, though? Fill out the space that is provided with your ideas. Your feedback is highly valued. We have concluded our date. You should definitely give it a thumbs up. Subscribing and sharing will take you to our most current videos.